The default Laravel application structure provides a great starting point for both large and small application.
Already I discussed how to download the applications and how to install the softwares. So in the current video, we are going to see the directory structure of Laravel. So first, I am going to open the C drive in my PC.
My system. Go to the C drive. So this is a folder I already created, Laravel. Enter into the Laravel. This is my app, our Laravel application project name. Click here. So this is a path. Click here. CMD. Enter. Here type code space dot. Open from the specific folder where we install the Laravel application. This is the Laravel directory structure. Now we are going to see all the directory structure one by one. So the first directory structure is app directory. In this directory, almost all of the classes in your application will be in the directory. The bootstrap directory contains the app.php. It will be more useful for bootstrapping the framework. This directory also we can call the cache directory. It will be contain the framework generated files for performance optimization such as route and services cache files are available. Next directory, the config directory, as the name implies, contain all of your application's configuration file. So in the config folder, the important file of app.ph, cache.ph, database.ph files are available. So if you want to mail configuration, mail.php files available. Next directory is database. Database directory contain your database migrations, model factories, and seeds available. Next is public directory. The public directory contain the index.php, which is the entry point for all requests enter into the application and configured by the auto loading. So in this directory, we can store the resource asset like images, JavaScript files, CSS file. We can store inside the public directory. Next one is resource. The resource directory contain your views as well as your raw and compiled assets are available inside the directory. Next one is route directory. The routes directory contain your all the routing definitions of your application. By default, 2 route files are included with Laravel. One is web.php, another one is console.php. The web.php file contains the routes that Laravel plays in the web middleware group. It provides the session state and CSRF, cross resource forgery protection and cookies encryption also. Next directory is storage directory. The storage directory contains your logs, compile the blade template files, and file cache other files generated by the framework. So the directory is segregated into the app, framework, and logs directory. The app directory you can use to store any file generated by your Laravel application. Next one is public directory. The public directory used for store the framework generated file and caches. Finally, the log directory contain your application log files. Next directory is test directory, which is contain automated test. For example, our PHP unit test and features test all will be provided out of the box. The Ventor directory contains your composer dependencies. Once we deleted the Ventor file, when we have to restart your Laravel application, this Ventor directory file is auto-loaded. So it is not impact in your Laravel project. In the next video, we are going to discuss how to create the basic route. Thank you so much.